Welcome to your ultimate destination for honest gadget reviews and the latest tech updates. Here, we explore must-have accessories to help you choose the perfect device. Our goal is simple, clear reviews, real opinions, and no confusion. Everything you need is right here. Are you looking for the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams 2026? You are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. This is your tech guide to smarter buying. Stay connected, stay updated, and stay tech smart with us. Thank you. Number 1. The VIOFO A229 Pro 3-channel dash cam is a powerful security upgrade for your vehicle designed to capture every detail on the road. Featuring stunning 4K HDR front recording, along with 2K interior and 1080p rear cameras, this dash cam provides complete front cabin and rear protection. Powered by advanced Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, IMX678 and IMX675, it delivers exceptional night vision and clear footage even in low-light conditions. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly transfer videos to your smartphone using the VIOFO app, making it easy to review or share important clips. The integrated GPS logger records your speed, route, and location data for added evidence and peace of mind. The A229 Pro also includes smart features like loop recording, parking mode, motion detection, and G-sensor emergency lock, ensuring important footage is always protected. Its compact and modern design fits neatly on your windshield without blocking your view. If you want reliable professional-level protection for your car, the VIOFO A229 Pro is a smart and dependable choice for everyday driving safety. Number 2. The Reddiger F17 4K 3-channel dash cam is a complete car security solution designed to capture every moment on the road with exceptional clarity. Featuring a powerful STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor and HDR technology, this dash cam records in stunning 4K 2160p from the front camera, along with dual 1080p recording for the interior and rear views. Whether you're driving during the day or at night, the advanced night vision with IR lights ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. This triple-channel dash camera comes with a 64GB memory card, so you can start recording right out of the box. The built-in GPS accurately tracks your driving route and speed, while the fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows quick video transfers to your smartphone through the dedicated app. With loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, and 24-hour parking monitoring, your vehicle stays protected at all times. The Reddiger F17 is a reliable choice for drivers who want safety, evidence, and peace of mind in one smart device. Number 3. Looking for complete protection on the road? The 70mm 4K T800 3-channel dash cam delivers ultra-clear recording from the front, rear, and cabin with stunning 2160p plus 2160p plus 1080p resolution. Powered by the advanced STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, it captures sharp details even in low-light conditions. HDR night vision balances brightness and shadows to reveal plates, faces, and road signs clearly. The smart triple-camera setup is perfect for families, rideshare drivers, and daily commuters who want full coverage. With support for up to 512GB storage, you can keep more footage without constant deletion. Built-in safety features like loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, and parking monitoring help protect your vehicle 24/7. The sleek design fits neatly on your windshield and is easy to install. If you want reliable security and premium video quality, this dash cam is a smart upgrade for any car. Drive with confidence every day and every night with dependable recording you can trust on every journey ahead today now too. Number 4. The Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dash cam is a powerful security companion designed to capture every detail of your journey. Featuring advanced triple STARVIS 2 sensor technology, this dash cam records stunning 4K front footage, 1080p interior video, and 2.5K rear coverage, ensuring complete protection from every angle. Whether you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or road trip enthusiast, the N4 Pro S provides crystal clear video quality day and night. With HDR and IR night vision, the camera delivers sharp and balanced recordings even in low-light conditions. The built-in voice control allows hands-free operation, making it safer and more convenient while driving. Its loop recording and G-sensor automatically save important footage during sudden impacts, giving you peace of mind in unexpected situations. Designed with durability and smart features, the Vantrue N4 Pro S also supports dual-channel 4K plus 2.5K recording for flexible use. If safety, reliability, and premium video quality matter to you, this dashcam is a smart investment for protecting both your vehicle and your memories on the road. Number 5. Stay protected on every drive with the VIOFO A329S 4K 3-channel dashcam, designed for drivers who want complete peace of mind. This advanced system records stunning 4K Ultra HD footage from the front camera, while the 2K cabin fisheye lens with a wide 210 degrees view captures everything inside your vehicle. A dedicated 2K rear camera ensures you never miss important details behind you. Powered by STARVIS 2 sensors on all channels, the A329S delivers exceptional clarity in both daytime and low-light conditions. Its intelligent parking mode offers power-saving protection, automatically monitoring your car when you are away. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, you can quickly connect to the VIOFO app to view, download, and share recordings without delays. The dash cam also features loop recording, G-sensor emergency locking, and reliable heat-resistant construction for long-term durability. Whether you are commuting daily or taking long road trips, the VIOFO A329S provides dependable three-way coverage, features, and video quality to keep you confident.